Hi, my name is Jodie Johnson and we are here at Creativation 2020. Now we're on the Tonic booth and we have got the beautiful memory books for you. How would you like to make your base core book in 15 minutes? That's right, no measuring, no pencils, no rulers. It makes that lovely book. So what do you get? You get a base die. Now that base die in there will make you 3 different size books. It will make you the 7x7, the 6x6 and the 5x5. You've also got the complementary edges that will go all the way around, the decorative panels in there. So that makes the square book. But how do you fancy something a little fancy? Because you also have got this base die set. Now this will make you 5 different size books, from the little diddy one all the way up to a beautiful size 15. But then we have got all the matte and layers in there as well. They really are a beautiful die set to, let's face it, give you the time to play. Because in there you've also got your spine. No measuring, girls, no scoreboards, it's all done for you. You just cut it to the size if it's all our memory books, and then you can put it inside your memory books with your pages, and you can leave big gaps in there if you want more bulky detail in there. But these books are so easy to put together. Now, when you're using these, you need to use a heavyweight card. So you're going to use £110 because let's face it, you've got £110 there. We're going to put another one on the inside there, so that's going to be £220. And by the time you've got your matte and layers on there, you are talking some substantial weight in there. So look how beautiful they are. All your flips, your flaps, they're all done with the magnets, so they all close up. And yes, Tonic Studios do the magnets now. But you can put all your memories inside there, all your photos, all your individual, your ephemera, everything else. So come on girls, let's have some fun and let's see what you can make with them.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to give our video a thumbs up and subscribe to Scrap Time videos for all the Creativation 2020 coverage.